Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you, thank you, thank you. As always, thank you for tuning in, and this time to my 2930th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. And remember, traders, the idea behind these nightly videos is to teach you the art of technical analysis. By the way, thank you for all your well wishes when I was out for a couple of days. Much appreciated on the X. I felt the love. Great stuff. Thank you. So, here we are looking at the chart on Sunday afternoon for trading Sunday night through Monday. Please remember how risky trading is. Risky, risky, risky. Never trade without protective stops, and put those protective stops in first. You'll live a lot longer in this business. So, for trading on Sunday, Monday, June 23rd, we've got a war going on, right? We just sent some missiles, however you want to call it, bunker bombers, you name it. But missiles are flying over at Iran. U.S., one of the people who are now doing that. I'm here to tell you I do not care what the geopolitical outcome is or what the events are. The charts know. They always know. And I'm here to prove that to you. And the reason behind this video is to tell you to please click the link below in the description and join me on Monday, tomorrow, if you're watching this Sunday night, at 5 p.m. Eastern. I'm going to go over a bunch of charts and show you what the charts are showing us, and we'll decide what to do from there. It is a free webinar. I've worked on it all weekend. I'll be working on it again tonight. I hope to see each and every one of you there. Click the link below. It's in the description. Join the webinar. It's absolutely free. It's Monday at 5 p.m. I know it will help you. I've got some great stuff in that webinar. I hope to see you there. The OMNI remains red, seller of rallies for trading on Sunday night through Monday. If we can get a fill in E-mini S&P NASDAQ Russ, we'll see what happens. But that's what OMNI's looking to do Monday. I'm looking to do a live webinar for you on Monday, and I want to show you what I see in the charts. I hope to see you there. It takes nothing. It's free. Click the link below. Get ready. Join me at livewithoscar.com. I'll be there all day before the webinar starts at 5 p.m., and I'll see you at the webinar. Make sure you please click the link below. And then remember, stop, sir, in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll traders, thank you for tuning in. Please click that link, sign up for that webinar. I will see all of you Monday afternoon at 5 p.m.